There should be some bar in our constitution against the political class using some words that can be termed as hate speech. So what we did is we just put the word hate speech in the constitution, but we do not go into details to define what is hate speech. And that has caused us a lot of problems, because you can see what is the name of the chair of NCIC, Reverend
Samuel Kobia.
The Reverend Samuel Kobia has now come up with a new one. He's even now trying to define the words that are can be classified as being hate speech. I think he's getting it all wrong. If you remember, last 2-3 weeks ago, I was in court when Senator Cherargei was being charged with, I think there are 2 offenses. One was incitement to violence under Section 96, and another one was what they were terming as ethnic contempt, you know, under the NCIC Act. But I actually shot up and told the magistrate that I wanted to help her to stop the count on incitement to violence, because the Article 96A of the Constitution was declared unconstitutional in the Mudama case. But just to show you how NCIC does not understand really what the legal position in some of these things are, they were still charging Senator Cherargei
with Article 19.
With that offense under Section 96A of the Penal Code. And that matter has been pending in court for more than 1.5 years, whereas NCIC did not even know that that offense does not exist. In fact, when I showed up and told the magistrate that I'm an officer of the court, I'm a senior counsel, I want to draw it to your attention that that offense does not exist, the prosecutor just said, oh, in that case, I will just drop the charge. But Senator Cherargei had already tried to defend himself. One witness had already testified on the basis of that particular section. So I think what I'm seeing is that NCIC was put in place to try and ensure that there is peaceful coexistence among various ethnic groups in this country. They were not put in place to be like the ones who are doing investigations and prosecuting people in court. The mandate of investigations is in the office of DCI. You will get more experienced prosecutors, investigators in the DCI's office than you will get in NCIC. I formed the impression that there is some excitement from NCIC. With tremendous respect, with tremendous respect to Reverend Kobia, I don't know how he arrived at that classification of words that can be termed as hate speech. In our laws in this country, if you read our constitution, the constitution says that for you to charge somebody with a criminal offense, that offense must exist in our law books in a manner that every person can clearly understand what that offense is, and then the penalty should be prescribed. So if you call the NCIC here, can they define which section of our laws criminalize those words they have put down? I want to advocate for one Kenya.